Hola mi gente, I wanted to make a short video about Flipgrid screen sharing. So if you find a topic, you can have your students share a presentation. If you're a student, this is how you share a presentation. So there'd be some kind of topic, right, that your teacher shares. I usually include a small video and something right here about what it is you're supposed to do. So if you click record a response like normal, this is where you go and you share your video. La 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 la, here we are. Okay. Now, teachers, this one says 1 minute and 30 seconds. I just put it to the default, but you can also extend it, I believe, up to 10 minutes for a presentation. But these presentations I'm doing with my class are short. So, okay, if you look at the screen, we have our filter options like normal. We have our stickers. If you click the 3 dots next to the record button, you'll see some options pop up, and you click screen recording. If you click start screen recording, it will share your screen. Okay? So this pops up and it asks you whether you want to share your entire screen, like a desktop, or you want to share a specific tab. For example, if you have your Google Slides in a specific tab, you choose that tab. So you can also do this to a reply. So let's say there's something that your classmates have already replied to, and you want to create a reply. Then we can go ahead and same deal. You'll see the 3 dots, and off you go. All right, hopefully this was helpful. Thanks for watching. Okay, so if we play around with this, we'd record a response, we'd go to our 3 dots, we'd go to screen recording, and then start screen recording, and you could choose whether you want to do your entire screen, application window, or Chrome tab. If I did Chrome tab, let's say we start sharing this. So now I have a presentation. So I could put it in present mode, and my little video is down at the bottom. Okay, so tenemos las formas de estar, tenemos yo estoy, tú estás, etcétera, etcétera. Okay, I'm all done. So now we finish by clicking stop sharing. Muy bien, it's all there. The little video we just made, it went into presentation mode, so you can see once I chose the tab, it shows me going to the slides and going into presentation mode, but that's okay. And then it gives me the option to add more. So let's say I paused it or stopped it at the top. That's cool because it allows me to add more if I mess up. Also, if I click X, it just erases the whole thing and you can redo it. And then you click next, you do a selfie, and you submit the Flipgrid as usual. Thanks for watching.